What is a computer? Can you use it wisely? Hi, I'm your friendly neighborhood computer teacher, and welcome to my colorful cartoon classroom. Let me show you what we'll be learning today. Computers are machines that store data, process it, and help us do different tasks. They have a monitor, which is the screen we see, a keyboard with letters and buttons for typing, a mouse, which we use to move the cursor and click. And inside this box is the CPU, the brain that controls everything. We use computers for education, research, games, communication, and to access knowledge from all over the world. A computer is like a super helper that can remember and calculate things much faster than humans. But before we turn our brains into computers, let's make sure we know how to use them wisely. That's a good question. Computers can help us learn new things, but we must use them wisely. Now you know what a computer is and some of the things it can do. So give a big thumbs up if you want to be a computer whiz kid, and remember, the computer is our friend.